Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare spaghetti jollof or jollof spaghetti, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you find this video helpful, remember to click the like button, share the video to your family, your friends, your colleagues, and also subscribe if you are not yet a member of my family. And for my new subscribers, you are more than welcome to this channel. And for my old subscribers, this kiss is for you. You guys rock. Thank you so much. So guys, let's dive into the cooking. Enough of talking. For the ingredients, I have liquid butter, which you can substitute with vegetable oil. You can also use solid butter. And I also have all-purpose seasoning. I have some salt. I also have rosemary with me here, and I have dry thyme as well. I will also be using 1 can of tomato, 3 eggs, 1 small habanero pepper. You can add more or less pepper. I have knor cube. Here are some meatballs, onion, ginger, and garlic. If you don't have meatball, you can do without the meatballs. Here is my spaghetti. I'll be making use of whole wheat spaghetti. That's why it's looking dark like this. This is whole wheat spaghetti. But you can use any type of spaghetti or macaroni or noodles of your choice to prepare it this way. Over here is my boiling water. My water has already started boiling, and I will start adding in my spaghetti. You can break your spaghetti if you like baked spaghetti, but I prefer my spaghetti long like this. So it's optional. If you like, you break it. Once I add it, I use my spoon to push it down. And after that, I cover it a bit and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I added my eggs before covering the pot, and after 10 minutes I took off the egg and continued with the spaghetti for another 10 minutes. Once it has completed 20 minutes and it has softened to the extent I like it, I will sieve out the water. I did that off camera. Now in your pan, add your liquid butter, allow it to heat up. If you are using vegetable oil, add your vegetable oil, allow to heat up, then slice in your onion. Slice in your onion as you want. I love my onion to be chunky like this when cooking spaghetti. Then I add my thyme, I add rosemary. There is this good aroma that normally comes out when you fry your thyme and your rosemary. So I will saute this for a minute, and after that I will use my garlic crusher to crush in my garlic. And once I'm done crushing in my garlic, I will also use it to crush in my ginger. If you're not using a strong garlic crusher, don't use it to crush your ginger, otherwise you will spoil yours. This is old version of it. The new or the modern ones these days is not strong. So I will add in my tomato and I will start frying. Make sure to keep stirring it for at least 10 minutes so that it doesn't burn. If you leave it, it will start burning. So once in a while you stir it till it has completed 10 minutes or till all the water has dried off. Once you start seeing the oil at the top, then it's ready. Now I will throw in my knor cube. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. Then I will also be adding in all-purpose seasoning. It's not a must you combine the two. You can use one, either all-purpose seasoning or knor cube. Then I'll be adding in some salt as well. After adding the salt, I will use my knife. I dice in my habanero pepper. If you look very well, you will see that I'm putting on gloves here because the pepper is so hot and I have a small baby in the house. I don't want to touch him with the pepper hand. So after that, I will give it a stir. Remember to stir it always, otherwise it will burn. Once everything is fully combined, I'll be adding the meatball. The essence of adding the meatballs now is for it to soak up the sauce so that the taste will enter inside the meatball and give your meatball a good taste. Then I just saw one fish in my fridge and I added it as well. So I will stir it and cover and cook for 3 minutes so that it will really soak up the sauce. But meanwhile, I reduce the heat of my cooker so it doesn't burn. After 3 minutes, I'm back to check it. Then I will stir it to make sure it's not burning before I continue with the next step. After stirring, add in the spaghetti. After adding the spaghetti, add a little bit of water to loosen the sauce. Then give it a stir properly so as to mix and combine the sauce with the spaghetti. And if you're watching up to this extent, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. And if you find this video helpful, consider sharing out the video to others to also make this ministry grow and move to another level. Once I'm done stirring, I will add, though I didn't introduce this earlier, I just hand it inside my freezer, the spring onion. It is optional. If you don't have spring onion, just chill, okay? Your spaghetti will still come out very well. I just want this to have another look. That's why I sprinkled small spring onion on it. Then I will still give it a stir to make sure that the spring onion is well cooked. Another alternative to the spring onion is pink onion. If you have pink onion, you can add it as well, just to give it a nice color and sweet aroma. Now is the time to test for salt so that if the salt is not enough, I can add it now before I take it out from the cooker. But everything was perfect, so I covered again for about 2 minutes to warm it up a bit. And after 2 minutes, I will give it the last stir and I will turn off the heat because it's properly cooked now. I don't want to overcook the spaghetti. Can you see how beautiful this spaghetti is looking? Oh my, I can't wait to dive in. So I'll be dishing it out now. Please grab your fork, grab your spoon, wash your hand and come, let's eat this together. The next thing I'll be doing is to grate in some cheese on top of it, and after that I will just put 1 egg on it. Remember the egg we cooked earlier. And after adding the egg, you can sit down and enjoy this yummy meal. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.